Welcome back to Gershom-ology, and I'm going to show you guys a Fab Fours Vengeance front bumper that I got for my 2016 Toyota Tacoma. And I'm just showing you the product pictures first. Those are not my tires or rims. That's not my truck. Here is my truck though. It has really cool LED lights that you can have installed in the front, which I did. And it just really makes the road a lot brighter at night. And here it is. Now, why did I get this steel front bumper that's like $1,500 plus, delivery and installation, all that, is because I accidentally hit a yellow pole that was in front of me when I was trying to leave a parking lot, because it was only 2 feet tall. And I'm just showing you some of the scuff marks I've already gotten on it. No dents, because dents don't happen to this guy. This guy creates dents in other things. So I trashed my front bumper, the stock OEM plastic bumper from Toyota that's crap, and I could have got that put on for like $300 or something. Instead, I got this insurance policy against future crashes, just for me, my kids, and for the truck itself. So I love this purchase. I'm just showing you some more scuff marks that I got, but I love this purchase. It's well worth the money, and I'm going to do it in the back next. Right now, you can just see these fake steel, shiny plastic. That's my insurance policy right there. That little tow hitch. But I'm going to get a rear bumper next. But I really like this this front bumper. It's super hardcore. I don't notice any difference in gas mileage, so highly recommended.